Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp fried rice at home. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped before you start cooking. Using day-old rice is key for the best texture, preventing a mushy result. Cook quickly over high heat to achieve that perfect fried rice flavor and consistency. This method makes it simple and delicious. Before you even turn on the stove, make sure all your ingredients are ready. Peel and devine 1 pound of shrimp, then set them aside. Chop about 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables like carrots and peas. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of fresh ginger. Finally, whisk 2 large eggs in a small bowl. Now let's start cooking. Heat a large pan or wok over medium-high heat with a little oil. Add your shrimp and cook them for about 2 minutes, just until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the cooked shrimp from the pan and set them aside. Next, add your whisked eggs to the hot pan and scramble them until they are just set, then also remove and set aside. With the pan still hot, add a bit more oil and sauté your chopped vegetables, garlic and ginger for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add your day-old rice to the pan, breaking it up and stir-frying for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, return the cooked shrimp and scrambled eggs to the pan. Season generously with soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil, then toss everything together and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.